Hello, welcome to Unofficial Design. In today's video, I am gonna talk about line drawing animation. Let's get started. First, we create a new composition, 1920 by 1080, name line art. Background, black. Duration, 2 seconds. Use pen tool to draw something. We don't need fill. And for stroke weight, I will use 10 pixels. Let's draw a line shape and rename it. Okay, let's talk about trim path. Open the layer cascade. You can see this add icon. Click and choose trim path. Click the arrow and we just need 4 keyframes to make it. Click the stopwatch next to end. This is the first keyframe. Change the value to 0%. The second one, change the value to 100%. The third one, click the stopwatch next to start. Keep the value 0%. Last keyframe, change the start percentage value to 100. Press spacebar to preview. And you can play around with the keyframes positions. For example, you can see how the positions change the effect. Beyond this, we can also reverse the direction. Find this toggle and turn on reverse path direction. Let me duplicate the layer to show the difference. Now that you understand trim paths, you can apply the rule to any other line shapes. Let me quickly draw a star and a heart shape and animate them. If the shape was created in Adobe Illustrator, you can also drag and drop the file into the composition. By the way, if you need this hello file for practice, I have attached the EPS version in Patreon. You can find the link in description. Right-click and choose Create Shapes from Vector Layer. Make it white. Add a trim path, add 4 keyframes to animate the shape. I will fast forward the process. Okay, I think this is what I need, and I want to add some colors. We can search for full color gradient effect. Apply the effect and reposition the points. And of course, you can choose whatever color you like. Okay, the last step, apply glow effect. Increase glow radius to 75, glow intensity to 2. Thanks for watching. See you next week.